Hey y'all, it's India, Miss Butterfly 112, and let's make smoothie pucks for the freezer. I'm going to use this cherry berry blend. I'm going to use this coconut milk from Silk and a couple of other ingredients. We're going to put it into a silicone muffin pan, pop it into the freezer. When it's frozen, we're going to put it into Ziploc bag, and you have your smoothie, y'all. What inspired to make some freezer smoothies? 2 overripe bananas. They're the start of the show, y'all. Yeah, it's time to use up these bananas. I don't want them to go to waste, so we are going to turn them into some smoothie pucks. These are for whenever we want a healthy drink. So into the blender, we're going to put our 2 overripe bananas. Okay, here is our second banana. 2 cups of milk. Using the measure on my blender to roughly measure this. Usually, y'all, I do not really measure this. So we're gonna do 2 heaping cups of this cherry berry blend. I'm gonna do 4 tablespoons of some unsweetened coconut, shredded coconut. There are heaping tablespoons too. Okay. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Okay, I have some frozen spinach. We're gonna do good 2 handfuls of frozen spinach. I have some vanilla yogurt cubes. Do 8 cubes. 2 tablespoons of 2 heaping tablespoons of honey. We're gonna put the top on and start to blend. I don't even have it plugged. Okay, it's plugged now, y'all. Okay, sometimes you need to help it along, especially if you do not have a strong blender. Okay, I'm just gonna take the spatula, push down. Okay, after blending it for a little while, it should be good to go, y'all. Look how beautiful. It's actually a little darker than what you're seeing. And I already tasted, and it is great. So now we're going to pour this into our muffin pans. I have my silicone muffin pan on top of another pan lined with parchment paper, just in case there's any spills. And now we're just going to pour it in each mold here. We're gonna just tap it a little to help it settle in and fill in any little gaps. Then I'm gonna go and wash my hand, and whatever is left, we're gonna have right now. Okay, you don't have to perfectly fill in the molds. It's okay if it overflows a little. It's fine, y'all. But this is going to be so good. Okay, so into the freezer. We're going to pour the rest of our smoothie, I'm gonna just give it a quick little stir. It's okay, y'all. We're going to get all this out of this blender, as much of it as possible, or all our hard work to go to waste. We made 12 smoothie pucks and some smoothies. Our smoothie pucks out of the freezer. Okay, y'all. Here we're gonna take out our smoothie pucks. This is why I like to use silicone molds. We got our Ziploc bag, and we're just going to pop them into the Ziploc bag. So simple. Whenever you're ready to have a smoothie, just take out a few and let them thaw overnight in the fridge so they stay nice and cold. And y'all have a smoothie already made. No need to take out your blender or anything. I hope y'all give this recipe a try. Back into the freezer. And whenever we want a smoothie, it's already made, y'all.